Today's topic is about how to prepare financial statements, which we explain simply for beginners. Have you ever looked at a business numbers and felt they were speaking a foreign language you do not understand? You are not alone. When I started learning accounting, financial statements sounded scary. Income statements, balance sheet, cash flow. Imagine these big names with confusing meaning. But here is the truth. Financial statements are just simple reports that tell the story of your business. Whether you are a student trying to pass exams or a business owner trying to know if your business is making profit or loss, this guide will break everything down step by step in plain English. Let's look at why financial statements matter using real life example. Imagine running a small shop in Accra. Money is coming in, money is going out, but at the end of the month, you are still asking, am I making profit or just surviving? Where is my money really going? Can I afford to expand my business? That is exactly what financial statements answer for you. They turn your daily sales or income and expenses into clear business truths. Let's look at the three financial statements you must know. Number one is income statement. This answer the question of, am I making profit or loss? This shows how much money you made, that is revenue or sales. It also shows how much you spent, that is expenses, and your final profit or loss. Think of it as your business report card. Number two is balance sheet. This answer the question of, what do I own and owe? This shows what your business owns, that is assets. Also what it owes, that is liabilities. Your real business worth, that is equity. This tells you how financially strong your business is. Number three is cash flow statement. This answers the question of, where is my money going? This shows cash coming in, cash going out, and how much cash you truly have. Profit on paper doesn't mean cash in hand. This statement saves businesses from cash shortage stress. Next, let's look at a step by step on how to prepare financial statements. Step one, record all transactions. Write down every sales and every expenses. No guessing, don't guess, no memory, only record actual transactions. Step two is preparing trial balance. This help you check if your numbers balance. If debit is not equal to credit, then something is wrong. Something is wrong. Step three is prepare income statement. Here you calculate profits equal to income or sales less expenses. So your income less expenses is equal to your profit. Step 4 is preparing the balance sheet. In preparing your balance sheet, use this simple formula, which is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Step 5 is preparing cash flow statement. Here you track real cash movements, not credit sales only. Real cash movements. This is a sample of a financial statement. This is how the financial statement will look like after you follow these steps. Let's talk about why students and business owners should learn these skills. As a student, it will be easy to pass your exams. Another reason is business owners will stop running blind because they will be able to make informed decisions. Another reason is entrepreneurs will attract investors because investors will understand your business performance from the financial statement. Even job seekers will boast CV value. Knowing how to prepare financial statement puts you 10 steps ahead of others. Finally, if you can read business numbers, you can control your business future. Don't just hustle. Learn to understand your money. Turn confusion into confidence. So, if this explanation help you, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next simple accounting lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.